Maybe you're pregnant for the first time and you're terrified of tearing down below, or you've had a baby or two already, but the experience was really, really traumatic. So you've been doing lots of research on ways to reduce perineal tears, and you've come across perineal massage. And you've read about how for first-time parents, it can reduce the severity of perineal tears. And for people who have already had a baby, it can actually reduce the incidence of perineal pain up to 3 months postpartum. So what are some of the questions that come up when we think about perineal massage?
Survey said.
One of the top 3 answers on the board: how am I going to reach down there? Say hello to Perimom. If you're going to do perineal massage, you can start between 34 and 36 weeks, but always be sure to check with your provider before you start anything new. Now, this product is really, really cool because it's basically an arm extender. So a lot of people are concerned, like, how am I going to reach around my big pregnant belly? Or I'm not comfortable asking my partner to do it. So Perimom has got you covered. When we're talking about perineal massage, the idea is to stretch out the tissues of the back wall of the vagina before your baby's head comes down there. So how do you do that? If this is your vagina and this is your bum down here and this is the back wall of your vagina, you take a finger that is clean and lubricated, you insert it towards the back wall of the vagina, and you move your finger in a U shape, adding gentle pressure to stretch it out. Now, what's really cool about the Perimom, take a look at the shape of it and take a look at the shape of your thumb. Notice any similarities? Perimom basically allows you to utilize the shape of your thumb to do perineal massage, but it extends your reach. I simply take my thumb and I replace it with the product, and you place it inside your vagina and you do the same motion, which is going to give you the same results that perineal massage is supposed to give you. It's important to use lubricant when doing this, and Perimom has really cool bundles that includes their sweet almond oil, which is super natural, it smells amazing, it's not sticky at all, and it lasts a really, really long time. While Perimom won't solve the world's problems, it will certainly solve your reach problems.